Hi, this is Chen. I'm presenting video B1, explaining how I implemented the search function. First of all, I added a few lines in the index.html to include a search bar in the menu. Here is the search. And I implemented a search page to add an event listener to the search button. And whatever is typed into the search bar will become the keyword, and the keyword is going to be converted into a keyword array and then passed to the search page, passed to the Firebase controller to look up the record whose product name is included in the keyword array. After it gets all the products that has a name, it'll return whatever that it finds, put in an array and return to the search page. The search page will then call the search page function to display all that is found. And it will reuse the functions in the home page, build admin home screen or build user home screen depending on the identity of the logged in user. And the home page has build user home screen or build this. I think it's the other one, but nevertheless, that's there. So the search bar, I can either type in cow and it'll return the cow. If I type in plane, it'll return a plane. If I type in both plane and cow, it'll return both. That's all I have. Thank you.